Adept. Skilled or proficient. He is adept at computer. She's adept at growing roses. Bliss. Perfect happiness. She felt bliss after a long day. He felt bliss watching the sunrise. Brisk. Active and energetic. He took a brisk morning walk. The brisk wind chilled his face. Conceal. To hide something. He concealed the gift behind his back. He used a mask to conceal his face. Imminent. About to happen. A storm is imminent in this area. Rain is imminent by evening. Jovial. Cheerful and friendly. They felt jovial all day. They shared jovial stories. Malicious. Intending or intended to do harm. She spread malicious rumors. His actions seemed malicious. Neglect. To fail to care for properly. Parents shouldn't neglect children's needs. He can't neglect his duties. Notorious. Famous for something bad. He's notorious for lateness. It's a notorious traffic spot. Omnipresent. Present everywhere. Social media seems omnipresent. Security cameras are omnipresent now. Placid. Calm and peaceful. The lake was placid today. His face looked placid. Ravenous. Extremely hungry. He felt ravenous after work. He was ravenous for success. exquisite, extremely beautiful and delicate. The dress is exquisite. The meal was exquisite. Defer, to postpone or delay. We'll defer the meeting. She deferred her travel plans. Cordial, warm and friendly. They exchanged cordial greetings. She gave a cordial smile. Convene, to come together for a meeting. We need to convene a meeting. He'll convene the team shortly. Bogus, fake or false. The ID looked bogus. They sold bogus products online. Thrive, to grow or develop well. Plants thrive in sunlight. Our business thrived these months. Blatant, done openly and unashamedly. He showed blatant disrespect. The cheating was blatant in class. Candid, truthful and straightforward. He spoke with candid honesty. She gave a candid answer. Evident, clearly seen or understood. It was evident that he was upset. Her talent is evident to all. Fluctuate, to rise and fall irregularly. The stock prices fluctuate daily. Sales numbers fluctuate monthly. Fragile, easily broken or damaged. That package is very fragile. Handle the vase, it's fragile. Keen, very interested or enthusiastic. They're very keen on learning. She's keen about her work.